In order to keep your job costing and estimating on track, it is essential to compare the quotations you submitted and were awarded to the actual costs incurred in the manufacture of the workpieces. We designed KipwareCRM to be simple and easy to use, but to deliver real-world results so you can quickly and easily see profit and loss for the work going through your shop. In this video, we'll run through a comparison between estimated costs and actual costs utilizing KipwareCRM and a previously created estimate created with KipwareQTE. For explanation clarity, this is a fairly simple estimate, but perfectly illustrates the vital role KipwareCRM can play in the absolutely critical task of analyzing profit and loss. We'll start CRM and load the previously created estimate created with KipwareQTE. The quote was awarded for 100 pieces, so we will set and have those costs imported automatically into CRM. Taking a quick look at the figures from the estimate, we can see the costs for the total 100 pieces as well as the cost per part. We'll start with the material cost. KipwareCRM gives users the option of conducting an in-depth analysis using the itemized analysis option, or a faster, more general analysis using the general analysis option. We'll demonstrate the itemized analysis here because the shop floor told us that the stock length needed was a little longer than the estimated stock length. We can open up the itemized option and make that change. We can now see the actual material cost based on the revised stock length. Opening up the Compare Cost screen, we can see that we had a loss of over $1,000 due to this change. Again, using input from the shop floor, we can take a deeper look at the perishable tooling costs. We have been told that both roughing and finishing used more inserts than the estimate accounted for. Now we can see that we have a loss of over $81 for perishable tooling. Combined with the material cost, we have a total loss of almost $11 per part. Moving on to the labor costs, we've learned that cycle time were faster than estimated. After making the necessary changes, we can see we had a profit of almost $63 for labor, but still have an overall loss for the run. More good news from the shop floor concerning programming and setup. We'll revise our actual times using the itemized analysis option. That saved us over $280, but we are still seeing an overall loss for the run. We can see that our biggest loss came in the material with the longer stock length having to be utilized. Looking at it closer, we realized that we had an overly large remnant from our bar stock. We just couldn't get the number of parts estimated out of our 6-foot bar. For many of our clients, KipwareCRM is a real eye-opener. It has become an essential tool for understanding if they are winning work that actually makes profits, or they are just spinning their wheels, wasting their shop's time on work that just loses money. Learn more about KipwareCRM and all the real-world Kipware CNC and machine shop software at www.kipware.com.